Mumbai. This is an initiative by the Doc. See Your Doc is a powerful platform that enables powerful and meaningful business relationships amongst various businesses. My name is Muthu, and I own a brand called Crumbles, which is an organic cookies firm. And this show is sponsored by Tata Tele Business Services. They are the country's leading enabler of connectivity and communication solutions for businesses. They offer solutions ranging from cloud, collaboration, connectivity, IoT, security, and marketing solutions for businesses in India. And they are also the largest provider of ICT solutions for businesses in India. Now, I would like to start today's session by introducing the lovely panelists who have joined us. And I would like to start by introducing Mr. Jiten Mehta, Director, Magnanimous Systems Private Limited. Followed by, we have Mr. Suhas Maskar, CEO, Accent Technovation. We also have Mr. Sajid Siddiqui, Chief Marketing Officer, NetSoftMate. Jitendra Lalwani, co-founder, Dial 4242. We're also expecting the presence of Mr. Rahul Singh, who will be joining us very shortly. Janice Das, Regional Marketing Head, Mumbai, Tata Teleservices Limited. So talking about this change, I would like to understand from you panelists, how is your business responding to the new normal?
COVID actually helped us to train our employees, to make them adhere to the technologies, to make them use the technologies, increase compliance in terms of CRM usage, because they had time in hand, right? So they did that very well. I would say, all in all, COVID has played a very good role for us, and we had increased, in fact, doubled the revenues from certain markets.
So for us, especially being in the ambulance business, this was a game changer, honestly. COVID came with a lot of responsibility for us. In fact, Mumbai Police has recommended our services multiple times on Twitter. So it meant more added responsibility for us. In fact, it was a game changer for us. We did 4 times the last time of GMV in terms of we have done more 4 times more. Okay, we in fact break even in the middle. Okay, so the pandemic came with a responsibility, but also helped us in driving our business in a much more efficient manner.
Yes, the pandemic has changed a lot of things, and I think so. In our industries of IT, I think so it is really done wonders. Probably, as I told you, for a customer also, which would have been done in 4 to 5 years, probably 2024 has come in 2021.
How technology is changing the way we do business.
The remote workforce started adopting all these tools like Asana, like Coda, where we created workflows, and they started following it. That has been a huge, I would say, reckoner. And I think project management tools and communication tools, these are 2 major tools which have been playing a very important role here.
2 things: technology implementation or usage by a lot of the ambulance owners, and also by the end users, and digital payment happening by the end users. So these are the 2 benefits that we got in terms of technology due to COVID.
For us, it was a game changer of those who were on premises server. Like probably have moved to cloud, and we already our offices were on cloud itself. So for us, it was not really very difficult to adopt new technology. But yes, for our customer, it helped us in making our business more and large quantities basically.
So the game changer in COVID is, I think everybody learned how to come on to the meetings, how to initiate the meeting yourself without using an IT guy next to you, or at least how to do some kind of fault finding or diagnosis of when your PC goes off. I mean, to that extent, I would say the game changer was COVID made us self-sufficient.
So if you think that the office setup is going to be suitable for your business, give me a left thumbs up. So if you think that the work from home is going to work for you, give me a right thumbs up. And if it is a hybrid model, give me a namaste. So which is going to work for you? Okay, Jitin starts with the namaste. Subhash starts, okay, follows. Shazin starts. Janice always gives a namaste every time I ask this question. One technology adoption you did to ensure that your business is running continuously.
For us, automation was an important thing that we tried on during the COVID, and the automation was in the marketing and sales areas. So we want to make sure that the sales team, because they were the only ones complaining a lot about not having a personal touch point with the customers, not being able to reach the customers properly. So we tried putting up a CRM. We were using HubSpot and we tried automations to make it work, and it worked really well for us.
For us, definitely, yes, we had to change our mode from physical meetings to Zoom meetings. Okay. Also, making our ambulance partners who are a little unorganized and not that educated kind of right people, getting them on this kind of a technology was a major challenge in the start. Okay. But I think over a period of time, everybody realized that this is the way to go and you can't get over it.
Listen to some of the interesting challenges that you faced while adopting towards the digital lifestyle.
So, a lot of approvals were, getting delayed, to get those new, technology in the system. Suppose today we want to move from for an example, Tata to Jio or Jio to Tata probably. The approvals were taking some time, and probably those internet issues, typically because a lot of people had some bandwidth, but it was not sufficient. Everyone, pounce onto the same. It was something like, everybody's pouncing on something. So these are the few challenges probably on approvals and endpoint deliveries, and of course, finally the internet.
The challenge, I would say, from the other business where I'm supporting them for the technology, which is predominantly a manufacturing business. So they are into manufacturing of special purpose machine and industrial tools. For them, there's no choice but to be on the factory floor to work. They just can't simply think of working remotely.
What do you think can be one enterprise solution that can enhance your business productivity?
For enterprise solution, good project management tools would be the game changer. And we've been working on this, and we are continuously working. In fact, we're creating some by ourselves, and we're using some enterprise tools for this thing.
So our entire idea is to build a proper CRM system which will help us in lead generation and also ensure that we are able to provide maximum support to our end users.
We are looking for a tool. Rather, we are almost on a finalization stage of subscription model for managing the workflow from home.
I would probably look for something which would kind of create that environment in the online mode where my youngest employee could gain the kind of knowledge and experience that he or she was gaining by working with my senior most employee.
What was that one thing that works very well for your business, which you would like to share with the others?
It's clearly customer relationship. That works very well.
Customer relationship is really important, and I think it has helped us in the last 1 year because we have gone beyond ambulance services and supported our members.
What do you watch or read to get your business updates every day?
All the technologies are probably all our industry bites probably from a different peers and colleagues.
Apple News is my favorite, and that's the news cliplet which gives me most of the stuff when I get up in the morning, be it the news, and especially interested to know what governments are doing in this pandemic, because unknowingly they're going to change the way we are going to work in the future.
A very interesting session. I mean, I personally gained a lot. I hope the people who are going to view this session online or they are connected now. I think they have also gained and got different perspectives from various industries. That is what made it very interesting. So thank you.
And thank you, lovely panelists, once again for joining with us. And on behalf of the talk, we wish you all the best in all the endeavors that are coming at days to come. And until next time, on yet another interesting episode of CXO Talk, sponsored by Tata Tele, this is Muthu signing off.